Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be reviewing and swatching all the Pixi Beauty matte liquid lipsticks. There's now a total of 11 shades. 5 shades are new, recently added to their line, and these are 0.24 fluid ounce at $14 each. The packaging of these lipsticks are a plastic square tubes, and I'm pretty sure I'm describing this packaging wrong, but if you're familiar with the Smashbox liquid lipsticks, it's almost identical packaging. And also the applicator is pretty unique, and if you're familiar with the MAC liquid lipsticks, they're almost identical. The only thing is that this one is more flexible and it's also very soft. Pixi claims that these are long wearing and comfortable and infused with rose hip oil. I will say I do agree with Pixi on this. Not only when I swatched these on my arm were they very hard to remove, and that was me scrubbing them off with the sponge and soap. On the lips, they are very comfortable and lightweight, and to me these have a light citrus scent. The formula is creamy and pretty opaque. I just had issues with 2 of the shades, which are Real Red and Berry Boost. I had to apply 2 layers for them to have an even application. Berry Boost still wasn't applying evenly, and this is the only shade I was disappointed with. For the rest of the shades, you can get away with just 1 layer and you will get an even opaque application. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.